Losing a loved one is tough, and dealing with life insurance claims shouldn't add to the burden. But did you know that filing a claim can actually be simple if you follow the right steps? Let me walk you through it step by step. Hi, moms. Welcome to Penny Calling Penny, a podcast where we break down personal finance into easy, manageable steps just for you. My name is Bhavna, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today, we are diving into a topic that's as sensitive as it is important: how to file a life insurance claim. Life insurance isn't just about lump sum payouts. It's about providing financial security for your family during one of the hardest times in their lives. So let's make this process easier for you. The first thing you need to do is contact the life insurance provider. If you are unsure which company holds the policy, check for the documentation or reach out to the employer if it was through a workplace benefits. Most insurers have dedicated claims departments to guide you through the process. Next, ensure you have a certified copy of the death certificate. This is a mandatory document for any life insurance claim. It's a good idea to request multiple copies as they might be needed for other legal or financial matters as well. Once you have connected with the insurer, they'll provide you with the necessary claim forms. These can often be downloaded from their website or filled out online. Be thorough. Accurate information here will speed up the process. Along with the forms, you will need to submit supporting documents like the death certificate, proof of identity, and the policy details. Most insurers allow online submission, making this part more convenient than ever. Now, this step is crucial. Be clear on how you want the payout. Insurers typically offer different options like a lump sum payout, annuities, or even periodic installments. Choose what best fits your financial needs. If this video helped you understand the process better, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that simplifies financial topics for you. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Life insurance cannot replace the person you have lost, but it can provide the stability your family needs to move forward. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.